What's changing in the new programme of study for Key Stage 3? One change is that national curriculum levels have been removed. Schools will now be free to develop their own systems for monitoring and tracking progress. A second development is the inclusion of 3 new overarching aims which are integral to the study of the subject content. These aims are mathematical fluency, reasoning and problem solving. These 3 aims map onto the new revised GCSE assessment objectives. So these are the things that pupils are going to be assessed on in the new Maths GCSE. Mathematical fluency is about being able to use appropriate mathematical tools efficiently. So examples are doing numerical calculations accurately and efficiently, being able to use algebraic expressions to generalise, using formulae, accurate interpretation and use of graphs, and moving between numerical, algebraic, graphical or diagrammatic representations. Mathematical reasoning is the ability to follow a line of inquiry, to conjecture relationships and generalizations and develop an argument, justification or proof. It's about being able to make and check hypotheses, to explain why the solution to a problem is right and to say how you got it. Problem solving is about applying maths in different contexts. It's about analysing the information you have, working out what you need to do, and finding a solution, choosing the right mathematical tools to get you there. Aside from these 3 new emphases, the new programme of study also makes some significant changes to the subject content covered at Key Stage 3 that reflect changes at Key Stage 2. There is more detail in the areas of algebra and geometry and measures. Probability and statistics are also now treated as separate strands. Probability is no longer included in the programme study for Key Stage 2, so there's no assumption of prior knowledge at Key Stage 3 in this area. Some of the material that was at Level 8 in the old programme of study has now been removed, for example trigonometry. The intention is that pupils who grasp concepts rapidly should be challenged with more demanding problems on the same subject matter rather than accelerated through new content in preparation for GCSE. We've comprehensively reworked the structure and coverage of maths frameworking to reflect these changes. There is a smoother transition between the new Key Stage 3 and GCSE subject content than there was the case in the past. This makes maths frameworking an excellent preparation for GCSE.